Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the Serpentine belt on Suzuki Grand Vitara. This one is the 4-cylinder 2.4 engine. Stay with us, guys, to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe. We have one new video on our channel every day. Alright guys, first you need a 14mm socket and a ratchet, and okay, let me show you exactly where you need to put it. Okay, you can see the power steering. Next to the power steering there is one pulley. Okay, right there, and you need to go down now. Okay, you need to push down, so you need to go clockwise, and you will loosen the belt, and then you can remove it out of the pulley, and then you can work your way around it. Okay, just you can pull it out. Alright guys, very limited room, really hard to show you. We're going to attach the belt diagram as well in the video. Stay with us. When we're installing it, we'll show you exactly where it is, and that's the old belt, guys, and as you can see, that thing is getting pretty bad. Alright guys, we're getting a belt. We have a used one that we'll be using until we order a new one, because they don't have it at the parts store. Okay, that's the diagram right here, guys. Want to show you exactly where it is and what you will need to do for that purpose. Alright guys, so that's the power steering pump. From the power steering pump, what you will need to do, you need to go down to the alternator right here. Okay, let me get a better view. Okay, alternator, and then it goes to that idler pulley, then it goes to the tensioner pulley, from to the crankshaft, then down to the AC and up to the water pump. Okay, very limited room, guys. That's why we're using the diagram, so we can show you better, because otherwise it's almost impossible. You can see how tight things are here. Okay, just like that. And now on this side you will need to go down to the alternator, and then you need to go on top of that idler pulley right there. Okay, and then you need to go to the tensioner pulley. Alright guys, the last thing will be on the water pump. With the 14mm socket, go clockwise again until you relieve the... Okay, you see there will be no pressure on the belt, and you can put it on the pump right there. Okay, now you can let go. You need to make sure that everything is lining up good. It's on the teeth. Okay, and make sure it's everywhere where it's supposed to be. Everything is good, and then you can go ahead and start it. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.